Wow, my hair is a mess. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're gonna be using the groceries that I got the other day to create a what I eat in a day. So I wanted to show you guys a very simple what you can eat in a day that's like kind of healthier. I would say like breakfast and lunch is pretty healthy. Dinner isn't the healthiest, but healthy in its own way. So for breakfast, I wanted to show you guys this Greek yogurt soft-boiled egg toast thing that I do, and it's just so good. Like, I love it, my husband loves it, and it's a really good way to utilize Greek yogurt as a sauce instead of like a sweeter Greek yogurt. But like, I love utilizing Greek yogurt for savory dips, and this is just that. Lunch, I was gonna make a very simple tuna salad to put on top of my sourdough. And for dinner, I was gonna make a healthier chicken tender that is gonna be baked in the oven, and I'm gonna make this dill dip using Greek yogurt again. So it's gonna be super high protein, and I know that the chicken tenders, there's panko on it. I don't know, it's a good amount of olive oil, but it's not being fried, it's being baked. So that's where I'm like, it's a little healthier. But yeah, we'll get started, and I'll start off with breakfast. And this is utilizing everything that I got in that grocery list. And if you haven't checked that video out, make sure to. It's the one right before this one. My hair is clipped. That looks much better. We'll begin. I need to show you guys this hack because this is how I've been boiling my eggs, and you're actually not supposed to boil it. You're actually supposed to be, in a way, like steaming it. So you're not gonna put as much water. And then I'll go ahead and add in my eggs. I have a hard time figuring out like which eggs to use because I want good quality eggs, but anytime I get something that is like good and look it up, I'm like, okay, it's really not that great. So if you guys have really good suggestions of like grocery store brand eggs, then please let me know. Okay, so I got my eggs in here. See that it's not like, I actually need a little less than this even. Like this much. And we're gonna boil this. We're gonna boil slash steam this. Cover this up, and I'll do this. I want this a little bit more soft boiled, so I'll do it for like 9 minutes total. Now go ahead and toast up a piece of bread. And I will put on a lot of olive oil on this. Okay, I'll just utilize this truffle oil that I have. And like that hefty of a drizzle. Stick this in my toaster. Eggs should be done. I could tell this is super soft boiled. So excited. Okay, so each. An egg on each. Oh my gosh. Now that is a good soft-boiled egg. Cut that. Oh, yes. That looks amazing. Okay. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Maldon salt. And then I got my crunchy chili onion. That's from Trader Joe's. And then I just had some dill at home from last week. I think it'd be pretty if I added a little bit of garnishing. Add one here, one there, and breakfast is served. My husband and I love this breakfast so much. I just want to show you guys how to eat this. So you're just gonna grab your piece of bread and dip a little bit of everything. Delish. I broke that egg right there. I honestly don't know what it is, but this literally always hits the spot for me. Oh, got that. So now I'll kind of go on with my day. I'll do some things and then I will work on lunch, which will be tuna salad. And it's so good, so stay tuned. Do a little sprinkle of salt, because the creaminess does need to be there. But instead I will add some Greek yogurt to make it a bit healthier. So we got like a tablespoon of each. I will add in some Dijon mustard too. Just a little bit, like a teaspoon. Very small squeeze of this. I like my food like bright. So I always like, if I'm gonna add some kind of creamy something, then there always has to be something to offset it. A little bit of sourness is what I like. And I also like a little bit of sweetness. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of maple syrup. Gotta put in some black pepper. That's it for this. So while I have this mixed up here, I'm gonna work on the bread. So kind of wanted to do somewhat of like the tuna melt, but I think I'll just go ahead and make like a one-sided toast with some cheese on it instead of using 2 pieces of bread, because I did have bread in the morning. So earlier I had just bread with olive oil. This time I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese on it to make it a little bit more savory. Here I have this sharp cheddar. It's the last slice. Just go like that, and we'll stick it into the toaster. Sliced up red onions, and I put it into my leftover Grillo's pickles. This is what I do with my leftover pickle juice. Look at that. You can easily meal prep this by just making a bunch of this tuna salad and keeping it in your fridge so you can just assemble it real quick during your lunch breaks, if you work remotely, I guess. Okay, let's add some balsamic glaze. Okay, and that's all there is to it. All right, let's give this a try. Look how amazing this looks. I did get myself some 7 Brew, some coffee and sandwich for lunch. Okay, so I am prepping for IVF. So I'm trying to eat very healthy and just like a lot of protein, because that's what's really important in IVF, is to eat a lot of protein. And I mean for everyone too. Wow. I love all the little flavors in there. Really bright. The lemon is such a good touch, and the dill also helps brighten it up a little bit. This is so filling. This will definitely keep me filled. Now that's a really good tuna salad sandwich. I'm gonna finish this up. I have a little bit of housework and some editing to do, and then I will meet you guys again for dinner. I'm going to use the panko that I got along with, this is like Korean frying powder for frying. And I use this instead of flour, but feel free to use flour for the batter. And we'll also utilize 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Garlic powder. Black pepper, some salt, and sriracha. It's gonna be lightweight wet. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. But I got my chicken here, chicken tenderloins. We're gonna do the wet batter, or no, you're gonna do the flour first, then the sriracha egg batter, and then the panko.
저번에 연습할 때 보니까 잘하던데? 저번 달까지만 해도 7점 이상 해보지도 못하던.
Okay, so I got my hot pan here. More olive oil on top. I stuck that in there. It's gonna be in the oven for about like 25-ish minutes. Halfway through, I will go in and flip it over so the other side can cook well. I'm gonna make this really creamy, high protein sauce. And I normally don't like Greek yogurt, just like eating it with lemon, or I mean, eating it with like granola and things like that. I'm not really that type of girl. I love to make it as dips, and I really like dips, so I'd rather just get like veggies and dip it into Greek yogurt. But I'm gonna teach you how to make this super delicious dip. You'll need like a cup-ish. I have a frozen thing of garlic, some parsley, some dill here, a good amount of dill. I have some cucumber, just literally throwing in everything that I have. Then I'll squeeze some lemon in. Let's add some salt to this. Or dip. Put this back in for another like 10-ish minutes. You can probably tell from the color of it too. It's like golden. It's gonna be so good when I dip it. So crispy. Now that is one phenomenal chicken. So tender. This is seriously so good. I hope you guys tried this recipe out, because this one's really easy and also really good. I hope you guys liked today's video, and let me know if you want me to make more grocery shopping on a budget with meal ideas attached to that. And I'll see you guys on my next video.